The software of your DSP is under constant development. So it can happen that you will be informed that about a new firmware at startup. To install, click OK. The firmware consists of two parts. A yellow mark indicates that the part is outdated. Green means it is the current version. Click the middle button to install the new firmware. And confirm the reboot. Here will come the next message. I found a process flow update. Do you want to update your device? Press OK. Now you see firmware is up to date, process flow must be updated. You press the left button, the right button, upload process flow. Confirm with OK. And the process flow will be updated. After this process, your device is up to date and you can go on like you know. All your settings are kept. Sometimes if new functions are added, they must be activated first. In this example, in DSP monitor, you found the bass, mid, treble after the update. The values are unlogic and the tone settings are switched off. So you have to activate new functions by hand. Set default, send DSP, close. Now the new functions are working.